Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If this is your first video, welcome. I'm a 19-year-old realtor and entrepreneur in the making, documenting his journey to success. If you're interested in that, please consider subscribing. Today we're building out the back of my Toyota pickup. I'm really excited to have a platform to sleep on. Currently I'm staying at my grandma's while this happens. We're gonna have the cooler integrated into the platform so I have more room inside the bed. But yeah, let's go and put this thing together. I'm really excited. And this is exactly what broke my truck last time, is driving to go get this built. So we'll see what happens. Just kidding. Can't leave the phone. This is pretty much where I broke down last time. Not that I'm worried that it's gonna break again, but I always have that bad feeling. I'm like, fuck man, what if it doesn't make it? It hasn't recently happened until it broke down the other day. I was so bummed. Okay guys, I've charged my gimbal, so now I have some actual decent footage. It's all smooth now, so I'm pretty happy about that. Let's go embarrass my brother, who's never been around someone filming in public before.
Filming in public?
Now we're these people.
Yeah, we're these people.
All right, we're gonna go get some plywood. This is the exit only. Now we really look like idiots. Oh. Yeah, well apparently you can open the exit.
Something that is.
I don't know, I'm like 180 pounds.
So look, see how much is hanging off? 3 inches? See how much flex that has already?
Oh, that's a good way to test.
See how there's a foot hanging off? See how much flex there is?
We're looking for something a little bit more thick. Not 3/8, but maybe ½ inch. For 50 bucks. A smoking deal. It's on that side.
You're like 6 inches hanging off. See how much that flex is?
Yeah, this doesn't flex at all.
So what do you want to sleep on?
Let's
30
do...
bucks? Or like that is 10 bucks. See how this is glued together? It's shredded wood glued together.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like wood, layers of wood glued together.
I think this is gonna be the best bet right here.
Two by fours at the end. I'd say
These 4?
yeah.
Think so?
They're $2 a piece.
Alright.
You want to do this? You can always return what you don't use. Keep that in mind. All right, Chief. I'm trying to save you gas. Are these not warped? Are they nice and clean, straight?
Yeah, they look pretty clean and straight.
Hold this for a second.
So we're getting these.
Can you visualize with your brain? Eyes? Visualize?
Yeah.
Okay, so two of them. Don't fill my face. 2 of them lengthways down your bed.
Yes.
Every up, and we're gonna cut up a couple.
By 3 and we'll be safe.
Guys, you receive it?
Right? Get it. You got this, Chief? This is my van. We're gonna build this thing out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
No, put the van.
No, you can't have it in my van. You can't have my van in there.
No, put the van in. You gotta let people know where you drive. A wall tool that can do this for me or something?
Yeah. I told you, I'm supposed to be in my van.
They're gonna find the one. I just think it's funny. Like, don't film my van out of the millions of white vans there are in San Diego.
Well,
They're gonna find the one dude. I'll follow you home. 4 2x4s, sheet of plywood, ½ inch thick, and a couple boxes of screws. And that's really all you guys need, and then the tools to do it at home. Let's tell you guys, my truck is a 1986 Toyota pickup with a 5-speed manual with the original 22R 4-cylinder. I currently have 264,000 miles. That kind of hurt. Starts, runs great. AC blows ice cold. Real quick. I'm mostly telling you guys this because I'm selling my truck soon and getting a 4Runner. So if you want to buy it, let me know. So guys, when I'm done with this whole entire build, I'm gonna do a video on the cost breakdown of what exactly I've spent setting up my truck to live in. I know that some repairs that I made cost me extra. Some of you at the Nice Camper Shell may not have to spend the money I did fixing it up. I mean, I got this camper shell for 40 bucks, and you can imagine everything was shot. And then I added limo tint. I got a couple other things to make it work and seal. Even then, it still doesn't seal completely from the rain. But one of the upgrades that I already have done, I put some insulation from Lowe's in here. It's like this foam stuff. So far it's working. I haven't really been able to tell with or without it, but I just like to think it works. It's kind of a placebo at this point. And then I got some carpet for 40 bucks to use. I'm not sure as far as the sanitary conditions go, but it works. All right. What?
Go.
That is the coolest tool I've ever seen.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right in between the tape and the square. Watch it away. So now I'm not worried about HOA or anything like that. Cool.
That's it. Alright. Where can you find that tool at? Like,
Home Depot.
It's DeWalt, my friend.
That's it, the wall?
Yep.
Does it have a flashlight on it?
Oh, that's a smart ass.
What do you want this in?
Anywhere you want.
On the ground.
Your cooler to your wheel well.
Towards the front? Yeah.
Good hell. That's insane.
There's gonna be some overhang. So now that we have it all written out, we laid it out the way we're gonna screw it in, and then we rotated it. So now it's upside down. We can screw it in from the bottom, and then we just flip it over and put it inside the truck. There's gonna be some overhang with the plywood. That's why we got plywood that isn't gonna flex that much. Plywood from here, and then the cooler is gonna be part of the bed frame. That way I can still open it from the inside if I want to. And then the drain plug is right here, so I can just pull this out from underneath my bed in the morning or whenever. And then I have all my stuff in there. So there we go.
Good?
Not too heavy, huh?
Top piece cut out. Here's the platform. Last thing we need to do is drill it on the top of this.
Ideally, we should put the frame in there first, and then put this board on there and screw it in place.
Yeah, we should.
I know, days.
You know how much fun it was without having a bed frame and all that? Like, this makes it functional.
Right.
So, like, this is livable.
Have put food in there, maybe you can get access to it. Okay. Shit, if you want, throw the foam on there, try it out real quick before it's screwed in place.
Still open it.
Bring it forward 1/2 inch. There you go. Perfect. Gotta move my kitchenette.
You can still sit in here. Look at this. Pop open.
Foam in there. Try it out.
Let's do it.
still have shoulder room. Fuck yeah, this is like all usable space.
Love it.
Oh, dude, this is crazy. This is insane. Oh man.
You can still slide your bed back like 4 inches.
Lower. See, look.
You're
I
up
can
too
open this
far.
up, have my firearm out the window. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Shotgun at the glass.
Out your windshield. Blow your windshield out.
Blow the windshield out, yeah.
Move.
Oh, I can dim it too. I didn't show you that.
That's cool.
Those lights on, so you can't see into them.
That's pretty good.
This is, guys, completely stealth, all blacked out, even with the lights. On full brightness, you can barely see in there.
All right, kid. What else you want? You're getting my blood. You're getting my sweat. You want my tears too? I ain't crying for you.
Cry for me.
No.
I'm homeless.
No, you're not. You're a pretty sweet solar bed.
Solar bed. You guys can see me right here, but I have shoulder room to lay sideways. I'm 6'1", so I'm not a small guy, and I have pretty broad shoulders. I sleep on my side, so it's kind of important. There is the impending stabbing through my head. I could get through these threads, but you know, I'm not too worried about it unless I like have a seizure or something. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I'm making new videos like this all the time, and I'm doing a bunch of other stuff. I'm starting a new business soon. I'm traveling the country. I'm driving my truck everywhere. My truck keeps breaking. I'm selling my truck soon. A lot of things to do with my truck. A lot of things to do with entrepreneurship, business, real estate. And my whole goal with all this is to document my journey to success. I'm a huge car guy. I really want a Porsche 911, and that's my goal. And if I can get my Porsche 911 and also show others that they can start with nothing and be somebody, doesn't matter where they come from, what they started out with, and I could help some of you guys out along the way, I'd love to do that. I will see you all on the next one. I am now going to go back to my grandma's house and go to sleep in a normal bed for a little bit. I'm gonna dim my lights, set the mood.